everyone, today let's walk into Majia pomelo. The Majia pomelo originating from Mars family in Danan Town, Guangfeng District. It's a distinctive regional fruit and one of China's top 8 varieties of pomelo. It's highly nutritious, packaged with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and phenolic compounds. Known for its large size, attractive shape, and refreshing sweet flavor. 好，爸爸先念大家出啊，江风嘅毛膏鱼。
大家對江風的啲毛膏魚哈。
In recent years, Guangfeng District has adopted the Majia pomelo industry as a pillar for local economic growth. Efforts have been made to upgrade the entire planting, production, supply, sales, value chain. While new sales channels have been opened through e-commerce platforms and live streaming, this has enabled Majia pomelo to evolve from a local specialty into a renowned Chinese fruit, expanding its presence in global markets.